So now we're ready to bottle. The first thing we want to do is rack the beer out of the carboy, back into the primary, because we want to get it off this layer of sediment. But first, we have to sanitize the siphon and the primary, which is easy enough to do. Okay, now we're going to siphon the beer out of the carboy back into the primary. We need to get the beer off the layer of sediment. Once it's back in the primary, we're going to dissolve a cup of corn sugar in it. That corn sugar is going to ferment in the bottles, and that's going to create the CO2 that carbonates the beer. We need to get it off the sediment first because we don't want to stir all that sediment back up. We've waited almost a week for it to settle down to the bottom. So now we're going to add the dextrose to the beer. First, I'm just going to quickly sanitize my Pyrex pitcher. This is what we're going to mix the dextrose and water in. Even though it's boiling water, it still never hurts to be more sanitary than less sanitary. Now we need 2/3 of a cup for 20 liters of beer. This is dextrose in this bag. This is a 1/3 cup measure. And there's 1. There's 2. And it doesn't take a lot of boiling water to dissolve a little bit of dextrose. There, less than a cup even. And you see it just... And there we go. We'll just stir it with the siphon rod itself since it's here and it's already sanitized. And since we added boiling water to a room temperature liquid, you don't have to stir it that vigorously. It's kind of like adding cold cream to hot coffee. It stirs itself almost.